Hello students, today we are going to learn Unit 2.2 The Boy Who Broke the Bank, an interesting story by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, born 19 May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Lander, Mussoorie in India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. रस्किन बॉन्ड हे ब्रिटिश वंशाचे भारतीय लेखक आहेत. भारतातील मसुरी येथे आपल्या दत्तक कुटुंबासह ते राहतात. भारतातील बालसाहित्याच्या विकासामध्ये त्यांचे मोठे योगदान आहे. अवर ट्रीज स्टील ग्रो इन देहरा या त्यांच्या इंग्लिश नॉव्हेलसाठी त्यांना 1992 साली साहित्य अकादमीचा पुरस्कार मिळालेला आहे. भारत सरकारने त्यांचा पद्मश्री व पद्मभूषण हे पुरस्कार देऊन गौरव केला आहे. बिफोर गोइंग टू लर्न द स्टोरी इन डिटेल, we will solve some activities from our section warming up. These questions are personal response questions. For example, a lie can run around the world before trust has got its boot on. The above quotation expresses how fast rumors spread. Talk with your group about some recent rumor when people believed at first and suffered for it later. या ठिकाणी काही जे प्रश्न दिलेले आहेत ते मी माझी स्वतःची काही उत्तरं असतील ते सांगणार आहे. तुम्ही तुमची उत्तरं त्याच्यामध्ये ॲड करू शकता. There was a rumor that the sea water in one of the beaches in Mumbai had turned sweet and was a miracle of God. Now also discuss how one can decide whether some news is a fact or fake. We can decide whether some news is fact or fake by first checking on multiple news sources from television to print. We can also ask our elders and take their views. Who do you think are responsible for spreading false news? People who forward messages without thinking. People who want to create commotion, and also people with vested interests are responsible for spreading false news. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? No. I do not believe in all news that I come across. Give one example of a rumor which seems to be a fact in the beginning, later it was proved false. The rumor that the sea water on one of the beaches in Mumbai had turned sweet seemed true because many people initially said they had tested the water themselves and thousands of people turned out at the beach. Now, second activity. Read the following statements and describe whether it is a fact or rumor. Justify your decision. Cows give birth to a calf. It is a fact. Since young ones of cows are known as calves and it is a natural phenomenon. In 2025, the sun will swallow the earth. It is a rumor. There is no evidence of this event from NASA. You receive a message that you have won rupees 5 crore in a lottery. It is a rumor. People cheat you this way and take your bank account details. Bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. It is a fact. Bees can flap their wings very fast at up to 270 times a second. Many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. It is a rumor. No evidence has been found yet. Driverless cars are no more a dream. It is a fact. Many technology companies are already testing driverless cars in developed countries. Sophia is world's first robo citizen. It is a fact. Sophia became with world's first robo citizen in 2017. Sophia Arabia became the first country in the world to grant citizenship to robo. Ghost dwell in banyan tree. Rumor. No evidence of this has been found. Do not step out on a new moon day. It is a rumor. No evidence of any problems occurring has been found. Aliens will conquer the earth. It is a rumor. No evidence of aliens have been found yet. Now we will learn the story. I won't read the story in detail, but I will discuss this story. The Boy Who Broke the Bank by Ruskin Bond. I have introduced the writer of this story, Ruskin Bond, but again I will read this information. Ruskin Bond, as an Indian author of British descent, the Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for his novel Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. In this story, the boy who broke the bank, Nathu, a central character, and is working as sweeper in People Nagar Bank, which is owned by Seth Govindram. Nathu belonged to middle class family and still he has not been paid his payment from the manager of the bank. How this news spreads and what are the consequences caused by this news is the story. How help becomes rumor. Seth Govindram owns a bank at People Nagar town. The bank is financially very sound and has won the trust of the depositors. Nathu is a sweeper in the boy. One day, while sweeping the steps of the bank, he grumbles around the irregular payment of his salary by the bank authorities Sitaram, the washerman's son, who learns about Nathu's complaints and tries to get him a new job. His customer named Mrs. Srivastav needed a sweeper. On hearing the fact not properly, Mrs. Srivastav gossiped that the bank was not able to give the salary to the boy. Mrs. Srivastav tells her friend Mrs. Bhushan that the bank hasn't been paying salaries to his employees. Mrs. Bhushan adds her own share of color to the news and tells her husband, Mr. Bhushan. She tells him about the poor condition of the bank by saying Seth Govindram's bank cannot pay its employers. Mr. Bhushan reveals this talk to Mr. Kishore, who owns a photographic shop, and Mr. Kishore feels happy after hearing this as he does not have any account in the bank. But he informs his neighborhood Deepchand, who is having a barber shop. He says to Deepchand that the People Nagar bank is about to collapse and also suggested him, if he had account in that bank, get it as soon as possible. Shocking of a barber. Deepchand, a barber, was shaving an old gentleman and was shocked, and out of the shock, he cuts the right ear of his customer. The customer was in pain because of two reasons. Of that, one was that Deepchand cut his ear and he was worried about the bank as soon as he heard. He rushes out to the merchant shop to dial the number of Seth Govindram, but Seth Govindram was not at his home. He was in holidays in Kashmir. Deepchand was informed by the old gentleman when he came to know about Seth Govindram's status. One incident adds more humor in the situation. The beggar, namely old Ganpat, when heard this news, he started leaping to his feet. This sight surprised everyone because no one had ever seen Ganpat was walking on his boat with the speed. He started running, and the great surprise, as he had been begging to the village people for so many years, so he had 1,000 rupees in savings. Now everyone started gathering in front of the bank and started hurling on the glass windows of the bank. The manager pleased to the village people to come on the next day and stated that the bank has enough amounts to pay them, but they did not stop and damaged the most parts of the bank. Nathu arrives to the bank on the next day and finds everything demolished, and his last dialogues are, who would have thought the bank would collapse? But still, he is waiting for his salary, believing that it would be paid so soon, and started to curse the customers of the bank who made it damaged. Now, what is the conclusion? Through the story, the boy who broke the bank, Ruskin Bond tries to convey the appropriate way of listening, and at the same time, he teaches the way to cultivate listening skill. The message which he wants to deliver through the story is, listening is the beginning of the understanding. Here is some printing mistake. If the manager had listened to the problem of Nathu, the entire mess would have been never happened. Now this is the story. Rumor. Rumor means in Marathi अफवा. जर आपण अफवांवर विश्वास ठेवला, त्याच्या मागचं सत्य न पडताळता जर आपण अफवांवर विश्वास ठेवला तर आपल्याला नेहमी त्यापासून त्रासच होतो. हा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा संदेश रस्किन बॉन्ड यांनी या स्टोरीच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. नाव रीड द स्टोरी in detail and solve the activities given in your English workshop section.